I'm Gretchen McPherson.
And I'm Raven Castleberry.
This is our project number 13 in EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama.
We're going to showcase for you our proficient use of the
First, I'm going to show you how to turn it on. Push this button right here. And then wait for it to come up. It takes a minute.
Should we have the lights on?
Once it comes on, you go to the Smart Notebook icon, you double click it, and bring it up, and then you want to orient it, and then you push the button where the little marker is. And then you're ready to go for your SmartBoard. And then I'm going to show you how to use the multimedia. You go over to the picture button, and then you're going to click the interactive and multimedia. And then you're going to pick which one you want. We're going to go with the bear. And if you want to hear him talk, just click the little thing. And if you want to change the way he comes in, you can have him flip around the axis when the page is entered or an object is clicked. And then you just click on them and you guys enter. Okay, I'm going to show you how to work with an object, and that will be shapes, and to clone it. So you click your shape key. I'm going to work with a square. I'm going to go back to the pointer because I want to clone it. And you just click on the shape. Use your arrow there. I'm going to click Infinite Cloner. And I'm going to click the black line to make another one. And I'm going to do one over here. Now I'm going to show you how to use clone a shape that's filled in with color. We're going to do the heart. I went back to my pointer. I'm going to say Infinite Cloner. And I have cloned squares and hearts. And I'm going to erase all of it.
There are interactive pins along the bottom of the SmartBoard that it recognizes to write with.
No, it's not. Okay.
As you can see, there are 4 interactive pins that come with your SmartBoard and an eraser. You just pick one of them up and the light reflects to what color you have, and it's going to write that color onto the board. Now you have an eraser. This eraser only works whenever you write the text. It will not work with text that you programmed into here using your SmartBoard. The little circle erases the text that you've written. Now if I wanted to change this text to real text instead of handwriting, I can come down here to my pointer. I just make a box around this. And I click one of these drop boxes and it's going to say recognize all. Well, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Okay. Let's see if I can make this work. Sometimes it doesn't want to recognize. Recognize war B. Yes. And then I can just move this around as I need to line it up. I have to play with it some. And now on Battle of Shiloh, I'll do the same thing. It's because it had boxed it into different ones. See how the boxes are all together? Recognize handwriting. And so then it converted it into this text. Now see, the eraser is not going to work on this. In order to get rid of this, you have to go to your pointer, put a box around it, delete, box around it. And this is, in this case, it's in 4 boxes. But it does them all because they were overlapping. Now right here, what I want to show you is using animation to reveal something written on the board. And I've sort of done the food groups, a loose interpretation of the food groups here. And so what I want to do is, using the pointer again, right here, I click on the picture. I have a picture here, and I've written the number 6 with one of my interactive pens. I want to make a box. And see how you have a box inside of a box? One is showing my 6, one is showing my cheese. I want to take the 6 and go to the drop-down box, and I want to go to order. Now I want the 6 hidden behind my cheese, so I'm going to say send to back. Well, I want it to work. We're going to go for the cheese instead. Order, bring to front. There we go. I just clicked the cheese and that worked. Now the bread. I'll just click that. Drop down box, order, bring to front. Click the fish, order, bring to front. It's just bringing my back picture to the front and hiding the number. Click on the pizza there, order, bring to front. See, that's clicking on the 1. I want it to click on my carrots. Order, bring to front. Now the numbers are hidden. If you were doing a food group exercise, you can go to each one and click on it. And you come down to properties. And over here in properties, you're going to see object animation. You click on object animation. You can come down here to type none. You put in fade out, and then it's going to ask you when to do it. When the object is clicked on, or when the page is brought up. You want it when the object is clicked on. And you do that for each of these. Properties, none, fade out, it's clicked. Just do a couple here. Fade out when the object is clicked. I'm just going to show you the ones that I've done. If I wanted to reveal it to the students, I could click on the cheese, and it fades away and exposes the 2. The oranges fade away and expose the 3. The fish fades away and exposes the 4. So that is how you use animated objects to reveal something, and you work with text on the SmartBoard.
I'm going to show you how to do digital ink and saving to a separate folder. Well, first you have to get out the notebook. You know, and just click on the X. No, you do not want to change any savings and click it up. Then you pick up one of the pens and you write. Make sure you put the pen back down. You click, save ink, and there you go. And just exit when you're done. And to reveal it, click right there, and it comes right back up.